You guys want to take a look at this Las Vegas Country Club tower that we're about to do a complete renovation project on. We're going to go inside in just a minute. I'm going to be all the way up there. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Bryan Knisley. I'm your local Las Vegas real estate broker. And today we've got a doozy for you. This big tower right behind us, located right here in Las Vegas Country Club, right near the Strip in downtown Las Vegas with beautiful views of the entire valley. This channel was designed for everything Las Vegas. You guys, whether it's real estate or lifestyle, please reach out. We love hearing from people. We're helping people all across the world find their dream home right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff really helps out the channel, and we appreciate it. This high-rise unit is on the 14th floor. It consists of 1,856 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 3 bath, built in 1974, and it's located in the Las Vegas Country Club golf course community with amazing views of Sunrise Mountain, downtown, and from the 14th floor, we've got ceiling-to-floor windows. The building itself is called Regency Towers, and it was built in 1974 and stands 27 stories tall on the Las Vegas Strip. It holds historical significance as one of the first high-rise condos constructed in Las Vegas. The tower itself is 218 residential condo units, and it offers amenities such as concierge service, a gym, swimming pool, and guest suites. So over the years, most of these units have been updated, renovated, and remodeled to align with modern preferences. Regency Towers' prime location on the Strip makes it a coveted address, providing access to shopping, dining, and entertainment that define Las Vegas. Its panoramic views encompass the Las Vegas Strip, Sunrise Mountain, and the grounds of the Las Vegas Country Club. The tower has maintained its status as a luxury high-rise condo with a focus on modern living and upscale amenities. Okay, let's go on down the hallway and take a look at the before of this condo. Shh, it's very quiet in here. Front doors. Okay, as we walk in, I don't have to whisper anymore. As we walk in, we've got a bathroom, just a half bath right here off to the right. And then we're gonna walk this way. Got a nice little closet over here. Bless you, Parker. And this is, we're gonna open up into the living space right here. So when we look at these projects, we try to figure out what's the best use of the space here. And we've done a couple of units in here before. We just sold one not too long ago. And so we have an idea of the design that we're gonna do on this property already. But we will open up this space with probably, fireplace on the wall here, TV, open up the space here. Obviously all new flooring, new paint, probably new baseboards, and really kind of maybe some accent walls in here, kind of lighten up the space and add some texture to it. But look at the views from out here. We've got balcony that goes all the way down the unit from here. And we'll step out onto the corner balcony right here, because this is an end unit on the building. And once you could step out here, you can see views of the entire Las Vegas Strip here in the downtown area. We got the Las Vegas Country Club golf course. And then as we head to this side, got views of Sunrise Mountain and all the way down to the other side, the east side of the valley, down into Henderson over here. So really gives you the best of both worlds in this unit. So you've got all of the Strip that you see here, you got the mountains, and then all of the golf course as well. So it really makes good use of this corner unit here. Let's go back inside. And as you can see, the balcony goes all the way down into the primary bedroom at the very end there. But let's go back inside. So with this space right here, obviously this is the kitchen, and the kitchen's very closed off. These units are all built in the 1970s. Some have been updated, some have not. This is what gives us the opportunity to update these units, open up these walls, and allow this kitchen to be open to this entire view right here. So we'll probably get rid of all of these walls here, open up this kitchen, and really just trying to transform this whole area so it's wide open and taking full advantage of these views over here. So let's step into the kitchen. Or I'll let you step into the kitchen because it's not big enough right now for both of us. Okay, so again, imagine this completely blown out and opened up to this whole area right here with all of these views and none of these walls that are impeding. So it's gonna look great. As we step in here, this is bedroom number 1. Got your closets here, 3/4 bath over here, and again, your own balcony overlooking the mountains and this whole view here. And this is what makes these units so special, is that you've got beautiful views of the entire valley and the strip and the mountains and all that good stuff. So love it. Let's go this way. As you step down, you know, obviously got to make good use of space up here. So you got your laundry in here, stacked unit. Again, we'll try to figure something out with that. We've got some closet space here, more closet space here. And then you walk into the primary bedroom. And let's go this way first. Pretty large space here for the primary bedroom. And then we've got your own balcony again off to this side with beautiful views. Again, I could stand here all day and look at this, and then at nighttime this all just kind of glows. Looks awesome. But we've got the fairway to the golf course right here. So lots of green down here. And the view is what makes this thing so special. So we'll go into the primary bathroom here. I have to get out my phone because there's apparently no power in this unit right now. So we just picked it up. Try to use my phone light here. Got step-in shower there. And your sink here. And then we've got closets to the left and right, and they all attach to this at the very end here. So what we normally do is remove all of these walls that you're standing next to right now, and that would allow us to open up this entire space. So this will be one big closet without all of these walls impeding the area. Makes perfect sense to me. Let's go take one last view of this. And then you got your, your interior space here. So if the weather's not exactly what you're looking for outside, you can keep all the doors closed and step into this space here, which would be more of your dining space, more of a formal dining here. You got your table. You get to overlook all of this and the nice, cool, air-conditioned inside. So that's the before of this unit. So thanks for coming on the tour with us of this condo right here in Las Vegas Country Club, right here next to the beautiful Las Vegas Strip. We're going to transform this amazing space into something absolutely beautiful. So if you're interested in this property or anything else, any of our other renovation projects that we do here in the Las Vegas Valley through our parent company, Paragon Asset Management Group, please reach out. Love hearing from you. Our information's below, and please keep watching, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Really helps out the channel. We will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.